Guys, do you know this scene in the movie that's called The Crow? Well, this is Savlamar.
Crows aren't going
Of
nowhere.
JN Bank. And the crows are telling us that something is coming.
All right, this is some pre-Melissa reports. It's got to be I redpillrixter on the Mr. Show.
Done it. Like a fisherman and a fisherwoman. Like a fisherman and a fisherwoman. Like a fisherman.
A lot going on in Jamaica. We're still going to have fun with it. You know, Jamaicans, they take everything serious, but not as much serious as we would hope, right? You know what I'm saying?
We're done.
All right, so let's just get into it. It's the Mr. Show. Jamaicans are upset about how the Americans came to Jamaica, and we're expecting to be catered to hand and
The
foot.
funny thing is, it's not the people that are complaining now, it's the ones that look like us that are complaining and I do the most.
So let's stick around right here. It's the Mr. Show.
To go back to. So while you're expected 5-star services.
All right, we're gonna. And remember when the last hurricane hit? Remember this lady? She went viral.
Shit water and gully water. The baby from my baby, my nephew, baby will come up. She flood out too with her baby, nice, pretty, clean skin baby them.
And the Queen has a message right now.
You hear me? The people of the nation, them deserve better than the half-hearted promise we're fling round here.
So let's get into it. This is Mr. Show. I'm not gonna do no talking.
Do you know this scene in the movie that's called The Crow? Well, this is Savlamar, right in front of JN Bank. And the crows are telling us that something is coming. So as far as my eyes can see, there are crows everywhere.
No, dark. Cause they look dark. No, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. No, no. This can't safe. This cannot be safe. Could never be safe. Could never be safe. Go on charge it. My blood fire. Yeah, do some. Don't wash it with the blood clot. Blood clot.
Tara na ko naman, Liz. Watch there.
Suffice to say that the area that we have been advised is the best area.
Just look, man. Look at it.
Yo, there's a serious thing going on with this agenda 2030 Jamaica, and Andrew Holness knew all about it. Well, allegedly, in my opinion. Let's go.
Suffice to say that the area that we have been advised is the best area.
Just look, man. Look at the town and watch it. Watch your flood out and beer. Look there. Yo, look down the road. Yeah.
Tara na ko naman, Liz.
To do an entirely new city. New city.
Tara na ko naman, Liz.
And it is because all the requisite elements to create a new city
Tara na ko naman, Liz.
exist here. And you don't want to create a city that replicates Montego Bay and replicates Kingston. You want to create something unique.
Tara na ko naman, Liz.
And therefore, this parish, St. Elizabeth, would be where we would be looking to develop.
Now, it's only who can manage the water, or if we around to help them, lift them over. It's only so them can come over. Nobody can cross it. It's only who understand it. Like a fisherman and a fisherwoman. Like a fisherman and a fisherwoman. Like a fisherman and a fisherwoman. Like a fisherman and a fisherwoman who can swim. If you cannot swim, trust me, you're going to St. Thomas Pond. Right?
Watch there. Look, lad.
Boklat! Boklat! My side, and you see that? Yo!
Wanna see that my side?
Walk in Catherine today.
Look, I church that, you know. I church, I look on the house there under water. Father God, what I beg you to do? Stop it right there, so. Oh, look good. The church that, you know, church. Almost when the house of the water reach from the church. All the house them are covered with the water. You understand? Just have to take a good look.
Rain done. Yeah, man. This is this. Yeah, man. Oh, this is bad.
Yeah, man, a fear flood in a watch it. Yeah, what? On a carry on a water boat, they're gonna have to come and watch it. Go there. The water lie down. Yo, that tell you now, no, nothing normal. See the clock down there, so there, water pile up. Me I tell you, water on top of water. You what? And you now come and watch it. Make certain you don't have no umbrella or no water boat. I swim the car, them I swim. Go there. Tick-tock, hold on. Touch the plus on my face. Touch your heart and turn it red. Breaking news. Yeah, man, see the water them there? Right down at the clock that I may I tell you if the town no normal.
I'm in shambles. I'm on my period, first day, so I'm already not in mood. All you big, dirty, stinking, grey back, 300-pound burger eating Americans, get the fuck out of Jamaica. I don't care if you have to swim back, get out. Y'all know Jamaican hurricane season. You know the Caribbean have hurricane season during this time, so that's one thing I really should know that. This hurricane has been coming for a week now. You had time to change your flight. You had time to check out and go back to your godforsaken country. And you don't have the audacity to complain about the food you're getting.
Hold on. I don't want to show my face, but Jamaicans are upset. And big up all the Portland crew who have the reason to be upset. And anybody who agrees with this, like and subscribe. If you don't agree with it, show me in the comments section. Let me hear.
You had time to check out and go back to your godforsaken country. And you don't have the audacity to complain about the food you're getting. Oh, we're only getting pastries for breakfast. Fucking shut up. Oh, they're giving us like goodie bags with snacks and things in there. Like, where's the buffet? Why isn't the buffet open? You guys are so dense and so ridiculous. It's actually comical. It's funny. These people at the hotel who are rationing and portioning out food for all of you ungrateful people, their house is now flat. They have no roof. Flooded. No car. No goat, no sheep, no mango tree. Everything is gone. Everything is gone. Yet they came to the hotel to make sure you guys are okay. And they're like, oh, we still have to pay nightly to be there. Yes, because Una could get the out and go up on the street. You know how much people don't have no house right now? You know how many people don't have no bed to sleep in right now? Now you choose to come to Jamaica with your cheap self and come to cheap hotel. The people I see complaining are complaining that are real.
Okay, hold on. Let's not knock the hotel now. Shorty, you're looking all right still, like a browning still. Let's not knock the Rio. It is the attitude of the people that are there. And they happen to be American, right? And I'm not sure if they're all American. There could be Canadians in there because, you know, I live in Canada and these Canadians are very entitled too, right? But anyways, let's continue.
Sorry, but if you were at a Secrets or a Hilton, you wouldn't be complaining because...
The only thing about it is that nobody at the Secrets or the Hilton was actually complaining. I don't see none of those videos out. Yo, this browning is serious.
You know how many people don't have no bed to sleep in right now? Now you choose to come to Jamaica with your cheap self and come to cheap hotel. The people I see complaining are complaining that are real. Sorry, but if you were at a Secrets or a Hilton, you wouldn't be complaining because those people aren't posting videos, right? Right. But you want a cheap-ass hotel, you're at the Rio right now, and you're complaining that the buffet isn't open? Go suck on.
I fix the airport so the people can go in them yard. Because, frankly, I'm tired of them. And you know the funny thing is, it's not the
Hold on.
people that
Yo, people around the world, are you seeing the level of beauty on these brownings from Jamaica? Right? You can't deny it, bro. You can't deny it. Right? We went from her, pretty little chick, very attractive, very aggressive, very nice, right? Right? And here we are, another browning. Let's go. Let's hear what she has to say because I like how they articulate and they can switch from the Canadian to the Jamaican just like we can do it when we live a foreign and we go back and forth, back home and stuff like that, isn't it? Let's go.
Not a cheap ass hotel. You're at the Rio right now, and you're complaining that the buffet isn't open. Go suck on.
I fix the airport so the people can go in them yard because frankly I'm tired of them. And you know the funny thing is, it's not the people that are complaining now, it's the ones that look like us that are
complaining still. I mean, Jamaicans are upset right now, and I know I'm going to apologize just a little bit on behalf of Jamaicans because it was one or two video where really spark off this this online situation, right? And I know they're wrong. I know they're regretting it now. The Americans are pushing back at Jamaicans and stuff, but if you know Jamaica properly, we're not really business still. We have to say what we got to say, and we're going to say what we're going to say.
complaining and I do the most. So guess what? When I fix the airports and I go on a yard. And as for ungrateful people, don't come back. We don't need no money. We don't need no family. Please me, I'm don't come back. It's when things are up and running again, don't come back. And if you do come back, I hope the ancestors them know what to do with them. You guys are rude and you guys are disrespectful. Please me, I'm gonna do not set foot on the next flight to Jamaica. There's so many other countries to visit. Don't come back. Because we don't treat you well, don't come back. And us Jamaicans too, we're too a little bit enough and forgiving. I'm telling you this, it's when time when I see them in them country and I deal with them certain type of way, leave them. Because like I say, if you check the persons that are complaining and the person where they do the most, it's not them people them do the most. It's the ones them will look like we. See, it's when time you see them in them country and I deal with them any witchy water way, man on a business on a to enough. Leave them alone. I let my son go on the yard and don't come back.
And this is just a message for all the tourists in Jamaica that are whining about the hotel staff. You went there on vacation as an option. It wasn't mandatory. You weren't sent there on a job. It was optional. You could have not went. The hotel workers, they live there. They have families there. And most of them don't even know if they still have a roof to go back to.
So while you're expecting 5-star services, meals, attention, I'm sorry, baby, but you need to book a boat and go back home. Because there are people in America that haven't heard from their loved ones since yesterday or since the power outage. You have somewhere to come back to. Most of those people don't. And you're complaining about even eating ramen noodles and care packages and where you gotta sleep. Like most people in Jamaica right now that are residents there, their roof is gone.
Screaming, when spring screaming say water, when you jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha, that type of water was there. I will want back everything. Cause from we live here on Sunlight Street, from here 2 months old, just one out of my mother, left here. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street, so here me never have been seen my yard flood out yet. Or any house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never had been seen this yet. I there here before my maiden take and me never see it yet. So anybody see them lie, cause we never see it yet. I want back everything. Laptop, phone, everything. A 5-phone flood, I want back everybody. Name brand furniture, name brand bed, and name brand car. Everybody flood out and want back everything. So, baby can't catch meningitis. And shit water and gully water. The baby from my baby, nephew, baby will come up. She flood out too with her baby, nice, pretty, clean skin baby them. Flood out, not a pimples, mosquito bite, nothing. Right now, you know what can happen to them? Them need to go to hospital. And we need all type of something for clean out the germs. And the fly them starting at the house now, no come look again. And it can't go on, so. We have to do better.
Hold on. What caused it?
What caused it?
One thing every black man should know today.
Every black man should know that they are worthy of love, respect, and also that God is with them.
All right, what's one thing every black man should know today?
That they are awesome and they are capable and they are powerful.
What's one thing every black man should know today?
That you are loved, that you are powerful, and that when no one else loves you, we love you.
Wow, what's one thing every black man should know? That you have a lot of impact. I think as a black community, sometimes we don't realize the type of impact that we have on the world. They deserve to be protected.
What's one thing every black man should know today?
Oh my God, how beautiful and amazing they are inside and out, how powerful they are, how above the rest they are, how God made no mistake whatsoever with them. They lead And I need them to remember that. Keep leading, Black men. I love you.
That you all really are loved, and we greatly appreciate you all.
How worthy they are to be here.
That they have power.
That they are strength. They are the core. They are strength. They are the core and the backbone of this society, of our families, and they should never forget that. That they're valued, that we love them, they're important to our society.
Me not take no more slackness into this house. Wanna hear me? The people of the nation, them deserve better than the half-hearted promise we fling round here. From this day forward,
guys.
Give thanks and praise. We got Queen Elizabeth. Log into the Mr. Show. Like and subscribe. Thanks for logging in right about now. Big up.